Considering an online title loan? Check out these advantages of getting a title loan online and find out how to get the process started today. 1. Getting an online title loan with us is a super fast process. You can qualify in as little as 30 minutes. In many situations, you can even get the quick cash you need the same day. 2. We make doing business with us a simple process. There isn't much you need to qualify for a title loan online. All you need is a lien-free vehicle title, your government-issued photo ID, and your vehicle for inspection. 3. Perhaps the greatest advantage to getting an online title loan with us is that you don't even have to visit one of our title loan stores. You can get started from the comfort of your home, and we come to you. Simply fill out the online form, wait for a phone call from one of our friendly representatives, and arrange where you would like to meet. As part of the application process, your vehicle will be inspected to determine how much you could qualify for. After that, you'll just need to sign a few documents and you'll be on your way to getting the quick cash you need. The best part is that you keep your vehicle. That's right. When you obtain a title loan with us, you will be able to continue driving your vehicle throughout the terms of the loan. Check out our website today to get started and get the fast cash you need now. Visit our website or give us a call today. Be sure to like and share our videos, leave a comment, and click on the subscribe button for more helpful videos coming soon.